Okay viewers, we are back with a new crocker tutorial. We are going to tell you how to make crocker tulip flowers. We are using this beautiful lilac color, a shade of purple, and first of all we will make magic circle like this. This is an easy way.
I repeat it.
Repeating it for you. Tightening it, and now we will start taking our stitches.
Hold it and make 6 chains. 1 simple stitch, okay? 6. 1, 2,
3, 4, and we will make 2 more, total 6. We have make 6 simple stitches. Now slip stitch through the first one, chain, and now slipping the thread. This is our slip stitch. So our first step is complete. Now our second step.
1 chain,
Placing the pin so that we can recognize the starting point.
okay? And then this row we will make 12. This second row we will make 12 simple stitches.
Simple 12 simple stitches in this row. Repeat the same pattern for this row. Now our second row is complete. We are going to start our third row.
1 chain, okay, and the ratio is 1 and 2. 1 stitch and 2 stitch, okay?
1 single crochet and 2 single crochet.
1, okay, and 2.
Repeat the same pattern for this whole row.
1 and 2.
Viewers, we have completed our third row. We have made 18 stitches in that, and now our fourth row. First we have made 1 chain in the fourth row.
Slip stitch and 1 chain, okay, and start, okay, one, 1 and 2.
The ratio is 1, 1 and 2. 1 simple stitch, then again 1 simple stitch, and then in the third one 2 simple stitches. This will be the ratio for our line. We are attaching the pin so that we can recognize the starting point.
One.
Same ratio, 1, 1 and 2, like this. Now for our next line, our fifth line, we have made one chain and we are going to make single crochet in every stitch. Like this you will make simple stitches in every stitch. So we have completed our fifth line. Now we have taken slip stitch and one chain.
One chain.
We will make single stitches, single crochet in every stitch. And now we will make such lines with the same pattern, one chain and then single crochet in every stitch. We are making single crochet in every stitch and we will make 6 to 7 lines more by repeating this pattern, one chain and single crochet in every stitch. Okay, so now we have reached the last end of our flower.
Slip stitch. Okay, and then
our lines are complete. We have made total 12 lines. Like this is the shape. Okay, so we have cut the thread and now we will put it in the crochet needle and we will sew the two sides together so that the shape of our tulip come. Like this, stitch, and now the two other sides we will also sew them. We have filled cotton inside. Like this, mashallah, our tulip shape has come. Tightening it so that it looks more beautiful. So mashallah, our tulip flower is ready. Viewers, now we are going to start making of our beautiful leaf. We are using this color, light green color, and we will make a leaf similar to this that we have shown you. First of all, we will give a knot and we will make 18 chains. You can make according to the size of the leaf you want to make. These long leaves look good with tulip flowers. We will make 18 chains like this. Okay, so now by skipping one in the next chain, we will take a slip stitch. I have taken one slip stitch and now simple stitch. We are going into the next chain. Again
more
simple stitch. Again simple stitch, 2 simple stitches.
Next half double crochet, okay, now we will make half double crochets, okay, first,
Now next half double
Second.
crochets. Like this. We will make half double crochets till the last 4 stitches are left. In the last 4 stitches, then we will make different stitches. We will tell you. Okay, so now we have made the half double crochets.
and now 2 simple stitches, okay, and one
Simple stitches, very easy to make.
and one slip stitch, okay,
And now we will proceed to the other side. Our one side of leaf is complete. It is looking lovely. And now our other side. We will repeat the same pattern but in the opposite direction.
one more slip stitch, okay, and one simple stitch,
Slip stitch, then simple stitch, then one more simple stitch. Like this. Then half double crochets. We will make half double crochets and till the 4th last stitch. In the
One, two,
last
three,
4 stitches we will make different stitches as we have made in the previous line. Okay, so now we have reached the end and we are going to make
simple stitch, okay, and again one more simple stitch
2 simple stitches.
and one slip stitch, okay, and one more slip stitch,
Like this. Mashallah, our leaf is complete. Now we will show you how to attach it with our flower. We are going to cut the thread. Mashallah, our tulip flowers are ready. We have placed them in the pot and we have attached leaves with them. You can see the tutorial of the pot in our tutorial. The tutorial is available on our channel. Like this. Mashallah, they are looking beautiful. If you like our tulip flowers, like and subscribe our channel.